Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, you took a trip, now we on your block.
I think I'm gonna kill them, pick up in a BJ.
What's up, flawless gang? So I'm back with another install. In today's video we are working with Arabella hair. So they first sent some lashes, this cute little bag, wig caps of course, this head wrap. They also sent another pair of lashes in the bag. Then they sent over this little hairpin, and here is the hair. So we're working with some HD lace. This is a 13x6 frontal, I believe. I already have it styled and hot combed and waxed to the style that I want. So y'all see the HD lace? That lace is bomb. But this is 22 inches, and I'm going to install this without gluing down a wig cap. I just didn't feel like doing one today, so I was like, you know what, we're going to not do a wig cap today. So I'm going to let you guys keep on watching. I'll come back in a little minute to let you guys know my review and see how I styled everything. But of course, I'm going right in with my Ruby Kisses. And I also forgot this wig actually has an elastic band, which is so good for a tighter fit on your head. So that's awesome.
Until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and rock right up to the side of my mountain.
Alright guys, I want to come on here and let you guys know my final thoughts on the hair. So this was my first time working with Arabella, and I really truly do love this hair. This was definitely the thickest wig that I've ever reviewed on my channel. The density is 180, but their hair is so thick and full. Like, this wig was beyond thick and like so full. I couldn't believe, like, even after straightening, it was still thick and full. And it's definitely true to length, with it being 22 inches. It really felt longer than that because it just, came super long on me. But their hair is beautiful. Arabella has some amazing quality hair. They're also, very affordable. They give some awesome gifts in your order, which is always great to get. I definitely highly recommend Arabella. I'll have this link to this hair below. Check it out, guys. This is awesome. If you're looking for some thick, straight hair that you're, not going to waste your money on, this is definitely a great option to go with. Arabella is definitely a great option. They're also definitely Shalisha Marie approved. I really do love this wig. It's so versatile. It is a frontal. You can do, half up, half down. You can do a side part, middle part. It has some deep parting space. And the hairline was just really good as well. It was very dense. You have to, do a lot of work to pluck it. But once you get the desired way you want it to look, it will come out beautiful. So bleaching, plucking went well. Overall, just a beautiful wig. I really do love it, and the quality of the hair is awesome. It didn't shed really any at all during washing and even, bleaching. It was awesome, and I truly do love this wig. So check it out, guys. I will have Arabella's information below, and a link to all their hair on their website. So I really do love this wig. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as well. So I will catch you guys back in my next install, and I love you guys. So see you guys in my next video. Bye, everyone. Mwah.
It's not that I don't want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I can make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. You get away, palm trees, beach views, and everything. All I wanna do is in the pictures on replay. Sit right next to you. You do. Try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you were, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away, just sit right next to you. You, I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you.